Hi, in this video we will see how to clean the Final Cut used space. So when you use Final Cut, by default it creates a lot of file, it renders a lot of thing, um, and it consumes memory. So in your computer the hard disk becomes shrink. That means the hard disk space is become less. There are many ways you can find those space, and you can manually delete all one by one, or all together. Like you can access all the library, and from there you can delete, you can select all and delete in this way. But it's a time consuming and I don't feel good to delete. So the best way to delete it, I want to use some shortcut. I will show you today. So before deleting everything or anything, I mean to clean all the Final Cut Pro, to make free space on your hard drive and delete all the rendered files quickly and easily, at first take the backup whatever you need, and after that close Final Cut Pro. So I'm going to close Final Cut Pro, and then after that go to your Apple logo, just click there, and then choose about this Mac. Okay, just click there and it will open this thing. And here you will see there is a third option, like first tab is overview, display and storage. Just click on the storage tab and it will show you the all your hard disk space of your Mac. And right now it is showing that 240 GB uh, available out of 1 terabyte. Okay, that means there are lots of file Final Cut is actually consuming, and Final Cut is actually consuming those space, and we can easily delete the render files and unnecessary things. So to clean those things we need to go manage. Just click manage and it will open this window. Okay, and here you will see that most of the space consumed by these documents. Okay, there is some other also like 1.1 GB. This is trash, we can delete it easily. And also applications only 40 GB, documents is 661 GB. So most of the files I see are here. So go to the documents, and then from documents there are a couple of options like large files, downloads, unsupported apps, file browser. Okay, so here you will see large files. What are the large files are in your computer, and you will see all the large files are list here. But from here it is very difficult which is basically are the Final Cut Pro X related files. Okay, so if you click downloads you will also see all the downloads file, but it's not our goal. And unsupported app, that means the application which are not required. And finally there's file browser. So just click that file browser and you will see all the options. And here you will see movie, desktop, I mean all the application which is consuming much more memory. Not memory, the hard disk space. Okay, so here you will see the movie, it has 592 gigabyte, and desktop has 49. This is my files. Okay, it's easily understandable. But movie 592, and you will see all the things here. Untitled 592 GB. Okay, so we have total space uh 1 terabyte, and only like 250 GB is uh, empty, but rest of the stuffs have files. Okay, and most of them like 600 GB is this untitled. Okay, and iMovie library, Final Cut backup, something TV, movie theater comments. So basically this untitled is the uh, Final Cut Pro library things. You can see easily Final Cut Pro library. This is the space. It is actually taking consuming all the space. So created, modified, last modified, these things. So whenever you will do some type of video processing or video export or import anything, at the time it creates lots of this type of thing. And I once you complete your project, export or something, once your task is finished, just come here and then clean everything. Don't go here and there. So far I found there are lots of way I can clean the space, but for me the easiest way is to come here and then delete. That means open, start Apple, click Apple menu, then go about this Mac, and then from here go click storage, and from there go documents, and finally from documents select file browser and movies, and then you'll find there. So once you are there you can easily delete. So what I can do to make space free, right click and then move to trash. Just click there and see the magic. Move to trash and you'll see everything is deleted, and this space is becoming empty. Now see, it's completely becoming empty. Wow. So it will take some time because it is actually calculating the space. Like right now 100 terabyte, 1 terabyte, and only is showing that this much space is very free, but most of the space is trash. And if you move your cursor, you will see that trash has 593 gigabyte. Okay, so let me open trash, and then after opening the trash, what I will do, I will click on the button empty. Here you will see empty, so I'm going to click empty and see the magic. It will ask you this thing: are you sure you want to permanently erase the items of in the trash? Just click that empty trash and it will clean everything, and you will see it is emptying the trash, and after that you'll see uh, the magic. Okay, so 1 terabyte space and 840 GB free. That means the Final Cut Pro X, it took too much space. Okay, so basically in this way you can easily delete. So again I am telling, just open from here about this Mac, and then come to this thing, and then go to storage, and after coming to storage, select the document, and finally click on file browser and choose movie, and from there just select the untitled one and then delete it, and all the space will be deleted. But before that you need to do another thing. You just need to open the trash, and from there you have to clean, and you will see all the things are clean. So in this way you can easily free space on your hard disk if you use Final Cut Pro, and you can easily delete all render files quickly and easily. uh, Maybe there are many other options you can do one by one, but this is the best easiest way. But before doing this thing, again I am telling you, just back up your necessary files, because once you delete that you cannot recover those things. And most of the time, so far, every day I produce lots, like couple of videos. Okay, I process couple of videos, and then I need to clean this space. If I don't clean, then my hard disk will be completely full within 1 week. Okay, so I had to do this regularly every day, and use this step. This is very easy. It's very easy and quick. Trust me, it's very easy and quick. And in this way you can easily clean all the free space on your hard disk. You can delete all the rendered files, like temporary rendered files, everything you can delete in this way. And thank you for watching this video, and if you feel this video is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share our video to others. Thank you for watching the video.